dropped the... stopped taping there for a second. Maybe I hit the button. Alright, I am down in the gully. Just going down because, oh, birds. See, that's a good sign. There is a rock outcropping down here. I'm very interested in seeing. It didn't look like it was that far away. Oh, there it is. One of those holes. Looks like an armadillo dug it out. Not very deep. Should have got my stick. Oh, there's holes all over that hillside. And oh my goodness. Look at those holes. Wow. That one's definitely deep. Somebody lives in there. Yeah, and me down here without my stick. Oh, there's those rocks. Oh my goodness. This turns into a waterfall when it rains. Oh my goodness. Oh, I hope this is videotaping. Wow. Okay. We're just walking along, singing a song. Not bothering anybody. There's a stick. Is it a stick or a snake? Nope, it's a stick. Okay. That's good. As you don't step down if you don't know what's down there. Okay. Nice, easy steps. God, this is so cool. The water comes down here. And, oh my goodness. Isn't this gorgeous? Well, that's what we just came down. All that water comes down here, hits this, flows across here. Oh, I wish it would rain. Oh my goodness. Look at all this rock. And the water just comes down. I'm not walking down there. That's just somebody's house. That's where I want to go, is right down there where those rocks are. And through here, with a proper snake stick, jump down there, and just keep on walking. Ah, this is gorgeous. Scary. I mean, you know there's things living down in there. You know they are. They're scared of you, and they bite They've got self-preservation built in. And this looks like where the deer walk. Yep. That's where I came down through, is right there. Wow. See? There's a hole. Oh, crap. Don't want to have to go all the way down into that ravine. Just to jump across and walk back up the other side. Looks like that's the only way to get across. Unless I go back over here, down into the gully. Man, when that rains, the water just gouges it out. It's just so wild and untamed and crazy. There's a hole. One of them. I believe they dig till they find their food, and then they stop. I can tell I'm tired. It's getting hard for me to walk. Oh, well, sorry, lizard. That wasn't a snake I was playing with. Oh, man. Another one. All these little finger draws, and the water drops down and creates a pool right there. Oh, my God, that would be so beautiful to watch. I want to be here when it rains. I want to see the waterfalls. See that one?